doesn't say RR-B. Just says N.
Is it 7?
Okay,
Say 7?
well, let's see. 7.
7. 7.
Looks like an N or a 7.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, 7N. See, there's a 7 and a 7D.
Okay, this one here's the first one. No, that's P.
Okay, no, that's P. Yeah, so 7N. Let's take a look at if the other wire is a 7, if it says 7N or 7D.
I asked him that. I said, "Can't you just talk me through it?"
Yeah.
You know, you want to call him and put him on speakerphone really quick from?
Shit, so I'm gonna have to feed a little higher. Feed it up high.
Oh, I see.
You get up over the top wall and shit.
I gotcha.
Got it?
I can't go over it, but I can go right through it right there. Just make that fucker disappear.
Good. Good.
That's it.